Rome has been a dream destination for many, whether it's for an arts and history exploration or a romantic getaway. When you're in Rome, do as the Romans do. In this video, we will share some insider tips and tricks for you to immerse in an authentic experience in Rome. First things first, avoid the hustle and bustle of the high season, especially during the scorching summer months. It's definitely not a nice experience covering in sweats under the sun. According to the Washington Post, February and March are the best months to travel to Italy when the weather is cool and it is less crowded due to fewer tourists. Second, don't waste your time standing in long lines. You can book your tickets on the official website in advance to skip the line. Tour tickets that include skip the line access are also available. You can find them by checking out the roaming shop that provides the best skip the line tours and tickets. Third, choose a nice neighborhood to stay in. It is not recommended to stay around Termini, where you will find homeless people camping out. If you're on a budget, consider areas that are not centrally located but well connected by metro and bus, such as Garbadella, San Paolo, and Pigneto. You'll find yourself surrounded by historical architecture, walking on cobblestone streets, and strolling around a quiet park, which is a perfect place to do people watching. Fourth, there are many hidden gems in Rome. Do not only visit major attractions such as Colosseum, Vatican, and Pantheon. We suggest visiting lesser-known spots such as Teatro di Marcello, where Romans watched performances of drama and songs back in the old days, and Villa Medici, the French Academy in Rome situated in the heart of the city on the Pincio Hill, and San Luigi de Francesi, a beautiful Baroque church where you can check out 3 Caravaggio paintings for free. Fifth, avoid tourist restaurants right in front of the major attractions. They can be super pricey, and usually the quality of food does not meet the expectations. Therefore, it is important to research where locals go to eat. Remember that places that have a huge line does not always mean that they're authentic. We highly recommend visiting the roaming websites where you will find lots of recommendations that locals like to hang out. That's it for today. We hope these tips and tricks will greatly help you experience Rome like Romans do. Feel free to comment below and make sure to follow us on YouTube and social media for more insights on navigating in Italy like a pro.